Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Johra Jafar, teacher of English version, Shahjatpur branch, Ladfair School. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi Jidne Ilma. My dear students of class 4, today we will learn about the tenses. You know that tense is called the soul of English grammar. Tense is called the soul of English grammar. First of all, read the following sentences. Number 1, I am in Dhaka today. Number 2, I was in Khulna yesterday. Number 3, I will be in Rajshahi tomorrow. These 3 sentences are talking about 3 different times: present time, past time, and future time. Present time, past time, and future time. We have seen that in the above sentences, the verbs have different forms and different times. We have seen that in the above sentences, the verbs have different forms and different times. These different forms are called tenses. There are 3 principal tenses. Number 1, present tense. Number 2, past tense. And number 3, future tense. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Each of these principal tenses has 4 forms. Indefinite or simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Indefinite or simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Present tense. The present tense describes an action in the present time. Example, she sings a song. The boy is playing cricket. Present tense has 4 forms: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Simple present tense. Simple present tense describes an action in the present time, habitual actions, and universal truths. Simple present tense describes an action in the present time, habitual actions, and universal truths. Structure: subject plus present form of principal verb plus object plus extension. Examples: he reads a book. He, subject, reads, present form of principal verb, a book, object. The boy plays football. The boy, subject, plays, present form of principal verb, football, object. He always carries an umbrella with him. He, subject, carries, principal verb, an umbrella, object, with him, extension. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense describes an action which is going on at present. Structure: subject plus be verb like am, is, are, plus base form of the main verb plus ing ing plus extension. Examples: Rifat is reading. Rifat, subject, is, be verb, read, base form of the main verb plus ing ing, reading. Number 2, I am going to school. I, subject, am, be verb, going, base form of the main verb plus ing ing, going, to school, extension. Boys are playing cricket. Boys, subject, are, be verb, playing, main verb plus ing, cricket, extension. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense describes an action which has just finished but the result of it still continues. Present perfect tense describes an action which has just finished, but the result of it still continues. Structure: subject plus have or has plus past participle of the main verb plus extension. Examples: I have eaten rice. I subject, have, eaten past participle of the main verb. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense expresses that the action has been going on for some time and is not finished yet. The action has been going on for some time and is not finished yet. The structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus have been or has been plus base form of the verb plus ing plus extension. Subject plus have been or has been plus base form of the verb plus ing plus extension. I am giving some examples. Number 1. The boys have been playing football for 2 hours. The boys subject have been playing base form of the verb plus ing playing football for 2 hours extension. Number 2. It has been raining since morning. It subject has been raining base form of the verb plus ing raining since morning extension. My dear students, I think all of you have understood the 4 forms of present tense: present indefinite or simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.